Okay, again, I'm running off the driving range because that is coming right there. It's going to hit hard and it's going to hit fast. A couple days ago when I ran off the range, literally, we had a flash flood within 5 minutes that I got in the car. It was flooded. That guy over there is, and the temperature has probably gone down 20 degrees in the last 5 minutes. So when you live here long enough, there's actually guys coming out here. They must not know about Texas, these storms. But that is coming right there. You see that? And this will probably be a monsoon in about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. I think I just felt the drop. Yeah. It's coming. It's getting balls. But he's about to get drenched. Hasn't hit yet. Look at that. They're kind of neat. It's these Texas storms. And people out finishing their rounds. We're gonna see. As soon as I felt that cold hit, I knew that was it. I knew that was when it was time to get out of Dodge. I suddenly felt a cold surge. It's been humid and warm most of the day, and then all of a sudden you get a cold. Yeah, North Texas it just messes with you, with your mind. It looks okay 1 second, 1 minute. That's a tornado tower right there. They test them every Wednesday. They blow. I don't think there's any tornado warnings yet. You get those low black clouds, they can develop into a rotation. I'm in my truck because the Kia is making a noise when I put it in reverse. So I'm going to have to take it in. Where's my truck? Down here? Oh, right there. There I am. Yeah. So, yeah, it's coming down. Hitting the ball really good. Anyway. All right, we'll see.